Hi, I'm Dr. Vimi, specialist dermatologist. Today I'll be discussing about acne. What are the different stages of acne? Why is it formed? What are the treatment options? And why you should aggressively treat it, because once you develop scars, then it's very difficult to treat. Whatever treatments you will do on your face to remove the scars, we cannot completely erase it. So the point is, like, you have to aggressively treat it so that it will not leave any scars, permanent scars on your face. Now coming to the different stages of acne, the beginning stage of acne is called the whiteheads or the blackheads on the face. So why? So before you should understand, before I explain to you on acne, you should know a little about the pilosebaceous unit on your face. So just look into the picture, you can see those the hair shaft, and on the sides of the hair follicle there are the sebaceous glands. So these oil glands secretes oil, and then both the hair and the oil will come out through the pores. The open pores on your face is the opening of these oil glands and the hair onto the face. So what is happening in acne? For unknown reason, the opening is getting closed by increased secretion of keratin by the follicular cells in that opening, in that area. So what is happening? The keratin secretion by the cells in the hair shaft cause blockage of the oil glands. So there is a follicular occlusion happening, and increased sebum secretion will be happening, especially in pubertal acne because of the hormonal activity, or during late stage adult onset acne where there is hormonal increased secretion of the androgens, especially during polycystic PCOD, hormonal acne in females. Their increased secretion of the sebaceous gland producing oil, and this occlusion leading to the whiteheads and blackheads on the face. Finally, if we are not aggressively treating in this stage, then you will land up with papules or pustules. That is dilated. There is an inflammatory response. Why? Because when there is increased secretion of the oil glands, the normally present bacteria in our skin called the Propionibacterium acne, this bacteria, there will be an overgrowth, because this bacteria loves oil. It feeds on the oil on our skin. So if there is increased secretion, there will be overgrowth of bacteria, and this bacteria action can lead to an inflammatory response, and then finally the follicle will get rupture, and then it can lead to a permanent, once it heals, it leave a permanent scar on the face. So when there is a blackhead or whitehead where there is only follicular occlusion, there only topical creams, the creams called retinoids, that is the cornerstone of acne treatment. Retinoids in the form of adapalene, the acretine, tretinoin, these are the brands like the Epiduo or acretine, Retin-A. These are the brands of topical retinoids. So this is the first treatment that you have to start. Along with that, if there is any inflammatory response, say for example you develop papules or pustules, then you have to have an antibiotic also internally. Systemic tablets also has to be taken to get the problem under control. Once you have a control on this inflammation, then you can stop with the antibiotic and then continue with the retinoids. But if it's not getting under control with the topical creams and the antibiotic, then there is a role for oral retinoids called the isotretinoin, which is like a magic drug for acne, wherein you have to continue for 5 to 6 months, that you get your acne will be under control, and then you will not leave any permanent scars on your face. So for pubertal acne, this is the treatment. For hormonal acne, usually after teenage, during adulthood, that you start developing acne, then there could be some hormonal reasons. Most common is the polycystic ovarian syndrome in females, wherein they develop acne mostly on the lower face, and their hormonal tablets also has to be started to get a control on these the increased secretion of sebaceous gland and follicular occlusion, that the problem will be under control. So that's how you have to treat your acne. Thanks for watching. Thank you.